Sometimes, life just get too noisy. All the rushing, deadline, constant go, 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 until one day you wake up and you don't recognize yourself anymore. Are you feeling this right now? That was me 27 years ago. I came from Singapore to Sweden searching for something. Peace. Not knowing how deeply I needed it. If you are feeling burnout, come follow me. I'm a Singaporean living in Sweden for the past 27 years. I'll take you on a soul recharging bike ride from our Airbnb to Skellefteå city and back. We're going to cycle 6 hours through the forest. You will see interesting places and finally a dinner stop, all from the doorstep of our Airbnb. This experience has helped me to deal with burnout, and now I want you to experience this kind of slow, soulful journey. Whether you are planning for a slow adventure in Sweden or just need a break from the city stress, our Airbnb nearby cycling trail might be a perfect therapy for you. You notice the moment you cycle into the forest, something changed. Did you notice the air suddenly turns sweet, like it has been filtered by the pine tree themselves? As you cycle through the forest, it feels like something out of the fairy storybook, right? The calm and clean air. No sound of the traffic or pedestrian, just freedom. The air is so clean until I feel like my lung just got baptized. Every paddle forwards feels like sheddings of weights of stress. Along the coast, you notice some people swimming, even fishing, or just standing there quietly enjoying the breeze. It's a kind of quiet companionship you don't get that in Orchard Road. As we are cycling towards the city, you will pass by this place called Tu Van Cafe. This cafe is run by the church. The fika and the food, which is quite simple, just salad and maybe some pie, they are delicious and easily affordable. Make sure you stop by for a coffee break. When we arrive in the city, there were kids running around in the playground and the parent is relaxing, and you notice nobody is rushing. I don't know if you have noticed. You notice there is not so much people on the street, even it is in the evening where there's lots of event going around in the city. The young people usually come out in the late evenings. In terms of safety, as you can see, the cycling tracks is very safe. You just need to watch where you are cycling and slow down if you see people, just to show some respect. But please don't go and say hi or talk to somebody, because Swedes, they are not used to this. Usually there's a lot of happening here during the summer. Sometimes you can see free concert or some competition or small events. Nudano, which is here, is a historical park where people like to come here, hang out, cycle, chit-chat, or maybe have a fika. There's also a historical restaurant here where they serve traditional Swedish food. This is a cozy cafe where I like to come here for just coffee and some cakes. Initially, our plan was to patronize a historical cafe which is located on an island. But then we realized they are not open yet for the season. This cafe is popular with waffles on certain days, and they have quite reasonable fika too. So no choice, have to continue with our path. As we cycle, we come across this bridge with a beautiful waterfall. Even though it is a man-made waterfall, I still feel like it looks really pretty, don't you think? This place reminds me of Singapore Botanical Garden, except there is not many Filipino picnicking on Sunday here. Wow, this is Burnout. These old wooden houses are over 300 years old, can you believe it? And it's still standing strong. And this place, during the autumns, they have this Saturday market where the local farmer can sell vegetables and their own produce. If you like local produce, organic food, this is a place to be. Sometimes they have flea market too. So if you are looking for vintage design items, this is the place. After all that emotional ride, of course, now it's time for makan. We went to eat dinner at this Chinese restaurant run by a few China guys. If you are not in for Chinese food, there are a lot of Swedish restaurants in the city. No choice lah. Even though I'm in the Swedish air, I still have an Asian tummy. Still want to go for the Asian though. After dinner, it's time to go home. I felt the air was getting a little bit chilly, so remember to bring on a little coat if you are going cycling for such a long hours, because the evening can be a bit chilly. While riding our way back through Bearspin and Nordic, I got a little bit emotional. This battery factory has recently got bankrupt. We have lost a tremendous income by this bad news. Maybe this happened for a reason, and I will forever be grateful for those opportunities. Anyway, our business has recently started to pick up again. Now I'm signing off as a Singapore auntie in Sweden, ready to welcome you. Whether you cycle fast, slow, stop halfway for kopi, never mind. The journey is yours, and this place is ready when you are. Book your stay with the link in the video description. I will keep the kopi hot for you. Until then, wherever you are, cycle safe.